Welcome back to Find Do Biz, financial education and business. On this channel, we talk about stocks, we talk about business opportunities, and mainly we've been talking a lot about hire car, but today we're going to change it up a little bit. First of all, for anybody that's new, welcome. I appreciate you being here. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. It doesn't take anything but a quick click. Go ahead and hit that bell notification. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So on this channel, I like to talk about stocks and hire car, and today we're going to be talking about this stock that I really do like very much. I like the business idea, and that's how I always invest. So BIGG Digital Assets is a Russell 3000 stock, very volatile. It is a 2.12 beta stock, definitely very volatile. This company's market cap is $234 million, not a big company at all. The past 250 days, the company has moved over 691%, and just today it's moved 30%, which is insane and it's not normal. So I'm imagining that I think BIGG Digital Assets, this is the daily chart by the way, is currently getting out of the oversold position, trying to get into this chart up here, and we have definitely seen a ridiculous drop for the past couple of 5 days at least. Now I think we're shooting for $1.20, $1.25, $1.20, somewhere in this resistance zone we're gonna sit, I think. And yeah, so from where it is right now, 89 cents to somewhere around $1.17, $1.18. So BIGG Digital Assets, I think, is a great company because it engages in the development of blockchain technology solution, search and data analytics. Its solution includes Clue and BitRank. Clue, I think, is such an amazing thing. First of all, I think something important that we need to understand is this company is trying to be more transparent than any other exchange out there. They're going to work with the government. They're going to let the government see what's going on in the company and trying to be more transparent when it comes to cryptocurrency, because it's just what's going to happen at the end of the day. This company is based in Canada, Toronto, and yeah, so at the end of the day, cryptocurrency is going to be very big, but also it needs to be some kind of regulation. And this company has an app that people can buy and sell cryptocurrency, which is an exchange, and they also have a way to help government. This is their app page where you can buy different cryptos, and this is their page for to helping governments and law enforcement, financial sectors, and regulators in understanding how the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology forensics field works. And I think this is going to be where the bread and butter for this company will be. As big corporations, as governments and lawyers are starting to understand how to interact with cryptocurrency, I think a platform like this that's so transparent is going to be very helpful. Whether you are a law enforcement, financial sectors, or you're a regulator, we specialize in the forensic investigation, risk mitigation you need to catch criminals and be compliant. Compliance is one of the biggest things. If you're not compliant with the law, they will kick you out and you won't be able to run as a company. So that's for any crypto exchange that is not trying to be transparent, they're going under. One thing I like is this thing called Clue. With Clue, they fight terrorist financing, money laundering, human trafficking, drug trafficking, weapon trafficking, and other cyber crimes. And I think this is because cryptocurrency is used for that so often that I'm not saying the dollar is not used for it, but cryptocurrency is definitely being used for that. And a lot of illicit activities are being done with cryptocurrency that I think something like Clue, which tracks and tries to find out backtracks and tries to find out all these companies, all these illegal activities, I think it's going to be very, very useful for law enforcement and governments. They also have forensic service division. Are you trying to close a case involving cryptocurrency? Now, if you're a lawyer, this will be very helpful, right? Law enforcement, when there's illegal activity going on and that legal activity happened through cryptocurrency, you have a company like this that's gonna help you understand how that money moved from where to where, who touched it, what wallets, what exchanges it went through. And then also expert training. Need your team to develop the ability to understand cryptocurrency and successfully investigate suspicious activities. Go to BIGG Digital Assets. I think this is why I think BIGG Digital Assets is going to be such a good company in the long run. Yes, they are very risky right now. They're very volatile right now. They are a very small company right now. But think about 5 to 10 years from now. A company like this that's following the rules, following regulation, is going to be more likely accepted. And those who are not following the law of the land and are trying to do their own thing and not follow the government, they're going to be imprisoned or they're going to get sued until they can't operate anymore. So I hope this video helped. And one more article right here. Jerome Powell doesn't appear against the idea of national digital currency. So obviously cryptocurrency is going to be something big in the future, and a company that is working with the government and trying to be transparent is going to win at the end of the day. And as you can see, Jerome Powell, the US Fed chair, is saying, you know what, he does see some kind of future for the USDC, a US-based decentralized cryptocurrency, and how that's going to be useful, and how the Fed is actually going to be trying to create something like that way before Congress does, and which I agree. And if we have a stable coin that is done through the Fed, and we get rid of maybe USDC and we get rid of Tether, more likely that might happen. And if Tether wants to stay around, or it might be just made illegal. And also we have banks actually trying to make their own cryptocurrency or electronic based currency system where they can do transactions faster and cheaper, which Chase, I think, already has one. Wells Fargo is working on one. They're all working on one because they know the future is this kind of transaction. Digital assets are going to be huge, and BIGG Digital Asset as a company is going to be benefiting. I think all of cryptocurrency market is going to be benefiting, but the right companies that are trying to follow the rule as they operate are going to benefit the most. For me, at the current price, even though the company's up 31%, I know it's still a buy. I did go ahead and buy some today, and I'm going to buy. I bought some yesterday. I'm more likely going to buy more. Let me know if you've heard of this company. Let me know what you think of cryptocurrency. Let me know what you think of how I kind of broke down this company, what I think of the future in cryptocurrency. If this video helped, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's just a little click of a button. I would appreciate it so much. All my newcomers, I appreciate you. Everybody that's been here since day one, I appreciate you as well. And see you next time with another BIGG Digital Assets news.